Guys, this video is for all my crypto and airdrop enthusiasts. So if you've been mining Hamster Kombat, congratulations, because they're going to be listing on the 26th of this month. And if you've not started, it's not too late. You don't know how big this project is going to be. But everyone that has started mining already, congratulations. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw and connect, or should I say connect and withdraw your wallet on Hamster Combat. Okay, so I'm just going to click on airdrop here, and as you can see, we now have our option offline withdrawal option, that is the Binance exchange, the OKX exchange, and the Bybit exchange. So you can choose any of these to make your withdrawal, but as a Nigerian, I prefer you go with Binance or Bybit. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Bybit exchange to connect your wallet. So I'm going to click on this, and it's asking if I have a Bybit account or not. I do have a Bybit account, so I'm going to click yes, I have it. But if you don't have a Bybit account, you can create, and I'm going to be leaving the link to the Bybit account, so you can use that link to create your Bybit account on the description box. All right, so I'm going to click on yes, I have it. And now they're asking me for my Bybit IUD, my hamster deposit address, and my memo. So these are the requirements for me to connect my wallet. So I'm just going to go to Bybit and get these requirements. So the first thing they're asking for is my UID, right? So to get your UID, you're going to click on your icon. You're going to click on your icon here at the top left. So this is my UID 150. So I'm just going to copy it. Copy it by clicking on this double, yeah, the double border. That's your UID. So I'm just going to head back to my Telegram, and it keeps logging me out. So I'm going to paste my Bybit UID. I'm going to click on paste. So this is my UID. So let's get our deposit address and our memo. So I'm going to head back to Bybit rather, and I'm going to get my deposit address. I'm going to click on assets. So to do all this, you must ensure that you've been verified by Bybit or even Binance. That is, you have to do your KYC by submitting your documents, your ID, and all that. So you have to do that first. I already have done my verification a long time ago, so I'll have to go through that process. So after clicking on assets, I'm going to click on I'm going to be clicking on deposit. So click on deposit here and click on deposit crypto. Then you're going to search for HMSTR. I'm just going to type in HMSTR, and you're going to scroll down. You're going to see Hamster Kombat there. You're going to click on it, and it says make sure that the chain type you make deposits to is the one you make withdrawals from. So you're going to click on done here, and this is just a notice. So these are our requirements. This is the wallet address, and these are memo tag. So I'm just going to click on I'm just going to copy my wallet address here. Okay, and I'm going to head to I'm going to copy the two at once. So okay, let me just, for the purpose of this video for learning, let me just leave it as that. Let me just copy this one, my wallet address. I'm heading back to my Telegram to paste it. So I'm going to paste the address we just copied. Yeah. So for the memo tag, I'm going to head back to the Bybit app. So my Bybit has reloaded, so I have to go through the same process of clicking on assets, clicking on deposits, clicking on deposit crypto, clicking on, since I already searched hamster is already here, so I'm going to click on hamster, then click on turn. Then these are the details, so I'm going to copy my memo tag, my memo. I'm just going to copy it by clicking on this double boxes here, double square boxes. So I'm gonna head over to um Telegram to copy the memo, to paste the memo rather. So guys, this is it. I was logged out and I had to just put everything at once, and ensure you follow the steps I showed you in this video so you won't make any mistakes. And when you're done with that, you're going to see the option of save and choose, and when you click, then you click on save and choose, and after choosing you're going to be able to change your withdrawal wallet, the exchange you choose. And if you are among the first persons that chose the guys, if you're among the first people that connected your Ton wallet and you do not want to use the on-chain deposit method, you can disconnect it, then choose an off-chain deposit option. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and I know that it was kind of noisy, and that was because I really wanted to connect my wallets, because I might forget if I do it later, and I just wanted to create a video for you guys. So this is the end, and thank you for watching. And if you found this helpful, leave this channel with a subscribe, a like, and share. See you in my next video, guys. And if you select, when you're done, after clicking save and choose, you're going to see a tick on your Bybit exchange option. So that means that you're done. So you're going to wait for the 24th. You're going to get a confirmation or a declined notification to know if Bybit accepted you or not. Then on the 21st, the off-chain exchange deposit methods end. So if you're seeing this video now, sure you do it today so you won't forget, because it ends on the 21st, and on the 26th after gets listed. And I wish you all success. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.